Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a triangle lace pattern using multiple prong transfer tools. So let's get to it. For this tutorial, you're going to need one 3-prong transfer tool, a 2-prong transfer tool, and a 1-prong transfer tool. This triangle lace pattern is a 7-stitch pattern and 6 rows. For this example, I've casted on 2 extra stitches on each side to use as a buffer. Needle number 6 is going to be our center needle, and I'm going to be working with 3 stitches to the left and 3 stitches to the right. Starting with a 3-prong transfer tool, I'm going to transfer the 3 stitches closest to the center needle onto the transfer tool and move one over. Do the same thing on the right hand side. We now have 2 empty needles, and our center needle, number 6, has now 3 stitches. Before moving on and knitting 2 rows, make sure that your empty needles are in working position. Now using your 2-prong transfer tool, transfer the 2 stitches closest to your center needle, move one over, do the same thing on the right hand side. Make sure your empty needles are in working position and knit 2 rows. Using your 1-prong transfer tool, move the stitch closest to the center needle onto the center needle on both sides. Make sure that your empty needles are in working position and knit 2 rows. This is what our swatch looks like from the stockinette stitch side, and as you can see at the cast on edge it creates a beautiful curve, and by repeating the triangle multiple times it creates a beautiful lace pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, you can click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.